Welcome to this video, and in this video we will learn how to configure and print checks in Tally Prime. Tally Prime comes with standard set of check options and details, so you can configure them and print it according to your business needs. So let's see, and first we will see in this video that how you can configure it. So press C to create a ledger, and if you have already created a ledger, press A to alter it. Select ledger and select your bank details. And in the bank, in this configuration, you can see enable check printing, make it yes. Also, make yes to set and alter check printing configuration. Here you will see list of check formats. There are multiple formats are available. You can also change the dimensions by clicking L, user defined. So in here you will see all the sizes are predefined, but you can add company signatory details here and press enter once you are done and accept the configuration. You can press I to preview it and Alt Z to zoom and check it properly. Click escape to go to the previous screen and accept it by Control A to save the configuration. Pressing by escape, go back to the Tally main screen. Now let's see how can we print the check details. For that, go to voucher, make a voucher, click F5 for payments, press space bar to select the ledger account. Here you will see HDFC Bank, which you already selected. Select your ledger account and press the amount, press enter. Here in the bank allocation, select type as check and write the instance number, instant date, press enter. If you have this generation, please write it, otherwise accept the screen. And here you can see check printing screen. All the details are there. You can preview it by Alt Z, you can zoom and check. Press escape to go back to the same screen. You can configure it by C and Control P to print it. Now let's see how you can create a self check. For self check, we have to select contra option, which is F4. Select ledger account as a cash because it's a self check. Select the bank ledger. In transaction type, select check, write the details, instance number and date. Here you can configure the bank details, also the favoring name. So press F12 and configuration, put the configuration details. Here now you see favoring name has appeared. Generally by default is self, and you can modify it as well according to your needs. Press enter. Again, narration options will be there if you want to write anything, otherwise accept the screen. Press I to preview it, Alt Z to zoom and check properly, escape to go back to the previous screen, and Control P for the print. Let's see the check printing report. Go back to escape and press N for banking. Select ledger, and here you can see all the list of check printing with printed status. If you want to print multiple checks continuously, it's very easy. You can just select the checks by pressing space bar and put Control P. Here both the options are selected as yes by default. Show check details before printing, make it yes to it's easy to recheck before printing anything. Here you can see again the same options are coming. You can press P to print, I for preview, and you can print all the checks properly here easily. Go back to the main screen by pressing escape, and if you want to change the multiple transactions, edit the transactions, press Alt H and you can edit the details which you like and Control A to accept it. Here is a quick recap what we have learned in this video. Check configuration and selecting predefined check formats, printing check form payments, printing self-check, check printing report, and continuous check printing. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubts and queries, please write in the comment below.